If you're using SmartView for HFM, do you wish it was easier to build the SmartView formula, easier to analyze, and simpler to submit data? Then maybe you should consider the MerlinXL SmartView wizard. With the SmartView wizard, you simply enter the member labels in the rows and the columns, then let the wizard build the SmartView formula for you. Simple, quick, and no errors. And now, all you have to do is double-click to drill down on the SmartView formula, making the analysis of your SmartView report quick and easy. With just a double-click, you can drill down on the same dimension, or with a right-click, you can choose a different dimension to drill on, giving you the ability to analyze any cell across virtually any dimension in your application. How often have you wanted to get the breakdown of a number across the base members of a dimension, but you didn't bother because it just took too long to build such a report? Well, now with the MerlinXL SmartView wizard, building analysis reports takes seconds. The MerlinXL SmartView wizard is just a simple add-in that requires no installation. Just download it to your PC and open it like any other Excel file, and turn the basic SmartView into a powerful reporting and analysis tool. Download it today and you can evaluate it for free for a whole month. Then when you want to buy, use the coupon code LinkedIn2019 to get a 50% discount off your license key.